folks, today we're making slime. And
what are you going to do first?
this.
You need glue,
Glue.
green food coloring, borax,
Borax.
and water.
Water.
Okay, show them how you add the borax to the cup.
So, we do this up here. There. Alright.
And then what color are you making your slime?
Green.
Ooh, okay, very carefully add 1 drop.
Okay.
Okay, what are you stirring it with?
With this.
Popsicle stick?
Yeah.
Okay, stir it up really good. Get it all stirred in.
It's almost. Look at that.
Is it perfect?
Almost.
Okay, keep stirring.
Mom must be ready.
You think it's about ready?
Yep. It's almost.
Okay, you think that looks good?
Yep.
Okay, now what are you gonna do?
Put it in here.
Okay.
Now let's treat them put it right here.
You're
Right here.
crazy. You're silly.
Right here.
Okay, let's see you. Be very careful. 2 hands.
Just like this. Here we go.
Do you want me to help you?
Oh,
A little bit?
no.
Well, we got to get all that in there. Wait just a second. Let me help you.
That's something like this, like Slimer.
Okay, now what are you going to add?
Whoops. Oopsies, folks. Whoopsies. Now, like this.
Okay. 2 hands. Squeeze it all in.
That's
No, you got to keep squeezing it in. All of it has to go in there. Ew, Trippy, that's gross.
You do it.
You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Keep on stirring.
Yuck.
Oh, is it going to work?
Yeah.
What's it look like?
It's just like a pudding.
Like pudding?
Yeah. Hey, Jody got pudding.
Does Jody have pudding at her house?
Yeah.
Neat.
I tried this thing off.
Is it stuck on your fingers like
Yeah.
guts?
Yeah. How do you get them off? Just like that? Maybe. No, folks. I'm just going to use my hands.
Okay, you can use them.
Ew.
Here, I'll do a close-up to see your fingers and your hands in it.
Punch up.
You squishing it really hard?
Yeah.
Do you have big muscles?
Yeah.
That helps.
Yuck. Yuck. Yucky sauce. Look at the bubbles, folks.
Look at all the bubbles. Let's see.
Whoa.
came off?
Yeah.
Hey, it worked.
What? What happened? Look at this, folks.
What'd you make?
Happy birthday cake.
Oh, neat.
Look at it, folks. Ta-da! It's for you guys.
Thanks. Can you bounce the ball on top? See if it bounces. Hold it up high and bounce it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Whoa.
Try. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
It's really bouncy.
Whoa!
Did you make it with a bouncy ball?
Yeah. Mine
Slide bouncer?
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa!